thought you were the one. A mage, were you? I've seen you before. You don't even belong here. I never seen you before. You must be new here. Are you?
Ah, so ye be happy to see me. Oh, so you wanted to come arrive with me. I am known as Blizzard. Why, hello there. My name is Blizzard. I am a cat. And welcome to Panteriolo. So, we are just mainly doing this because you assigned me? So, you just mainly do this to us? Okay, it's kind of awkward.
Hi, my name is Blizzard, and I'm mainly a cat. I'm from Pantariola, and I'm an apprentice of a princess named Princess Pearlheart.
Well, who do you expect? My name is Blizzard, and I'm mainly a cat. I come from Panteriolo, and this is my friends. We are the team heroes. You won't get away, Darkheart. Only I can defeat you with my friends.
My name is Blizzard, and, well, I am known as a cat. And of course, I am from Panteriello. I am an apprentice of Princess Pearlheart, and I'm known for making friends. And I am part of the heroes team.